Everybody is striving hard to get a slim and smart appearance alongside glowing skin. Numerous natural ingredients are available readily in the market to achieve the goal, and lemongrass is one. Lemongrass is an herb commonly found in Asian countries. It is one of the most extensively used ingredients in Asian cooking recipes due to its health benefits. Lemongrass oil is used in different medicines. Lemongrass tea recipe. Lemongrass is used to make herbal tea as well. You can make lemongrass tea by adding this herb to a glass of water and boil it for at least 10 minutes. Then you can add other herbs such as cloves, garlic, cinnamon stick, or mint leaves as per your choice. Your lemongrass tea is ready to consume. Let us discuss the significant health benefits of drinking lemongrass tea. Number 1. It's in digestion. First and foremost, the health benefit of lemongrass tea is that it aids in digestion. Therefore, if you suffer from heartburn or indigestion, lemongrass tea is the most recommended for you. In addition, a component called citral is present in that helps in digesting food. So it would help you if you drink it after your meals. Number 2. Lemongrass tea is full of antioxidants. It is replenished with antioxidants and acts as a detox tea for your body. It cleanses your body from within by flushing out the toxins. Number 3. Relieves bloating. It has diuretic effects as it forces the kidney to release urine. Another way, lemongrass tea relieves bloating by relieving water retention. Number 4. Relieves stress. The research suggests that the fragrance of lemongrass tea has an anti-stress influence. Although it is still under scientific study and needs some evidence, yet some incidences reveal that the person gets rid of anxiety after intake of lemongrass tea. Number 5. Lowers down cholesterol levels. An experiment was conducted on 2 groups suffering from high cholesterol levels. One group was given lemongrass tea 2-3 times a day. The result revealed a considerable amount of decrease in their raised cholesterol levels compared to those who lack lemongrass tea in their diet. Number 6. Enhances metabolic rates. Lemongrass tea increases metabolism and burns fats. Since it aids in digestion and therefore it plays a significant role in weight loss. It contains polyphenols which increases the oxidation of fatty acids. They're also helpful in boosting your energy levels. Number 7. Glowing skin and shiny hair. Lemongrass tea is beneficial in achieving naturally radiant and glowing skin. It is high in vitamin A and vitamin C. These nutrients are essential in getting flawless skin and shiny hair. In addition, it clears out acne and treats several skin problems by increasing blood circulation. Number 8. It has anti-inflammatory properties. You cannot overlook the benefits of lemongrass tea in fighting infections. It has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties as well as anti-inflammatory properties. All these attributes wipes away the viral attacks of cold, flu, and cough. You can add a pinch of ginger and 2 cloves with lemongrass and boil it for 5 minutes. Drink a cup of this tea and your throat will readily get clear from mucus and phlegm. Number 9. Lemongrass is an astringent. The purpose of astringent is to heal the wounds instantly and contracts the blood flow to stop excessive bleeding. The lemongrass tea delivers the same service, but in a different way. It promotes the contraction of blood vessels, teeth, gums, hair follicles, muscles, and skin. Hence, it prevents tooth decay or hair loss by reducing the flow of blood through the vessels. Number 10. It acts as a tonic. The primary purpose of a tonic is to tone and boost overall health. Lemongrass tea tones all the systems of your body, such as respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, and nervous system in one way or the other. It also boosts their functions by absorbing nutrients into the body and is rightly called a tonic. If you liked and enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this.